this is again an objective related to the spontaneity of a chemical reaction. For this particular chemical reaction, delta H value is given and delta S value is also given. And we need to find out the spontaneous feasibility of this reaction both at 25 degrees centigrade as well as 1000 degrees centigrade. So how to solve this? We need to use the same relation between del G, del S and delta H, which is delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Here del H is given as positive value and del S is also positive value. Now tell me under what conditions the final value can be a negative one. Means under what conditions del G can be negative. That is possible only whenever this magnitude is more than that of this one, and that is possible only whenever the reaction is carried out at high temperature, isn't it? Means this particular reaction is spontaneous only at high temperature. So definitely at 1000 degrees centigrade this reaction is spontaneous. Now we need to check out whether this reaction can be spontaneous even at the temperature of 25 degrees centigrade. Let's substitute the values and check it out. So at 25 degrees centigrade, delta G becomes equal to delta H, which is 131.4 minus temperature 298, and delta S value, which is given as 134 joules Kelvin inverse mole inverse, and that is 0.134 kilojoules Kelvin inverse mole inverse. And on calculating this value, you get it as 91.468. So as the delta G value is positive, we can confirm that this is non-spontaneous at this temperature of 25 degrees centigrade. So if you want to even check out what is happening at 1000 degrees centigrade, it is like this. Delta G is equal to 131.4 minus 1273 Kelvin temperature multiplied by 0.134, and you get the value is equal to minus 39.182. So this once again confirms that the given reaction is spontaneous at this temperature of 1000 degrees centigrade. So at 25 degrees centigrade it is non-spontaneous, and at 1000 degrees centigrade it is spontaneous. So our answer is option C, non-spontaneous, spontaneous.